Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I just thought I should add some color to my hair. I have a 4C hair, and yeah, I've actually never dyed my natural hair before, so this is kind of new for me. So now the first thing I'm going to do is definitely to part this hair into smaller portions, since I'll be the one doing it myself, and I'll be using these. Just really simple. I would just yeah, I'm done parting my hair. You can see, just going to, just apply it. I think I've rubbed enough Vaseline. So yeah, so I'll go ahead now to mix the dye. I'll mix the white and the gold together. I don't like mixing all the dye together, so I have the dye here. I'll start from the front. It's always best to start from the front. And I still want the black root, so I won't actually start from the root. So
Gucci on the product, see me feeling bad.
Just have to be careful. Apply it gently, carefully.
I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire.
So I'm actually done. I'm just going to wear my.
So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing.
I'm going to wear this for 20 minutes, but I'll actually check in 15 minutes. This is after 1 hour. I actually love the outcome, so I'm going to wash it out now.
I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Girl, them I want about man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me.
I just washed off the first one, so I will be applying the white now to my hair.
For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. Really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it.
I'm going to cover it now. I'll leave this on for like 20 minutes, then I'll wash it off and show you guys the final result. It's currently past 3. I feel I should take this off. I want to wash it off. So let's go wash it off and see our final result.
Test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for get it. That feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want.
My hair did not cut. You see the way it is. See, I can't too.
I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for get that feeling. something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want.
I'm actually going to twist it out or do something to my hair. I don't like gel. I don't know if I'm the only one that doesn't like gel. I did apply some leave-in conditioner and also hair oil and also hair milk. So
I Gucci on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them.
Please, when you dye your hair, always apply leave-in conditioner so it doesn't dry out and start breaking. This is my final result and I'm actually happy with the outcome. We've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.